In this video, I'm going to be talking about what mounting is. So, a file system is a way that an operating system organizes files on a disk. These file systems come in many different flavors depending on your specific needs. For Windows, you have NTFS, FAT, FAT16, FAT32 file systems. For Macintosh, you have the HFS file system. And for Linux, you have file systems that we can list in this tutorial. One of the great things about Linux is that you have the ability to access data stored in many different file systems, even if these file systems are from other operating systems. In order to access a file system in Linux, you need to mount it. Mounting a file system simply means making the particular file system accessible at a certain point in the Linux directory tree. So that's what mounting is. That's what mounting means. Mounting a file system or mounting something simply means making that particular file system accessible at a certain point in the Linux directory tree. So to mount something, it has to be fundamentally accessible somewhere in the Linux directory tree. That's what it means to mount something. It has to be accessible, right? If you're mounting a new file system somewhere on your current system file system, right? You already have a file system. You're accessing your system file system, right, on your normal computer. Then when you mount something, that simply means that you are attaching that other file system to your current system file system.